Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download all your Google Photos and videos to your computer in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to the address bar. Type in takeout.google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, scroll down and click Deselect All to start fresh. Now scroll down the list and find Google Photos. Check the box on the right to select it. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Next Step. Here, you can choose how you want the download delivered. For delivery method, select Send Download Link via email. Under Frequency, choose Export Once. Leave file type as .zip, and you can keep the file size as 2 GB, or change it if needed. Now, click Create Export. Google will start preparing your files. This can take some time depending on how much content you have. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email with your download links. Click the download button in the email to get your files. After they finish downloading, go to your Downloads folder. Find the .zip files. Right-click and select Extract All. Then hit Extract. And that's it. Your Google Photos and videos are now saved to your computer. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.